Hey, Dave here with InvestED. Thank you everyone for watching. Hopefully, if you are seeing this video, subscribe and click that you like the videos for InvestED. We're going to continue to ramp this up with my colleagues Kaileigh and Christian. I'm out today at a really special event in Mississauga. One of my former colleagues, Matt Berry, is riding coast to coast to raise money to find a cure for type 1 diabetes. And this is an event that we put on out here. You can see all the RBCers showing up. One of the things that was shared this week is that RBCers do over 320,000 hours of volunteer work across the country in any given year. But I'm not here to brag about my colleagues and talk about how proud I am of them and what they do. I'm here to talk about you and investing in yourself and taking care of yourself. One of the things that having a good financial plan will do, studies show this over and over again, is being more financially secure will help lower your stress levels, will lead to better health and more certainly a sense of security. So doing the things necessary to put together the right financial plan isn't just about the money. It's also about your health and your happiness. Now, again, money is not number one, right? Our health, our friends, our family, those are the most important things. But we do live somewhere where money does make a difference. So if you don't take anything away from this other than it's important to put a plan together. Start early, invest regularly, invest enough, have a diversified portfolio, and have a plan, because the plan is what will get you to where you need to go. My friend Matt is on his way, 7,500 kilometers from Victoria to Halifax. T1dbreakthrough.com if you're interested in the cause. Dave with InvestED, we'll talk to you soon.